CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.5 Given a scenario, use the appropriate Microsoft command line tools. Hostname. The hostname command is a simple yet important tool used to display the hostname of your computer. The hostname is a unique name assigned to a computer on a network, making it easier to identify and communicate with other devices within the network. Imagine you're in a room full of people, and each person has a unique name. These names make it possible to address and communicate with specific individuals directly. Similarly, in a network, each device is given a unique hostname to distinguish it from others. The hostname command helps you check the name of your device. To use the hostname command to display the current hostname, you simply type hostname in the command prompt and press enter. In this example, desktop-1234 is the hostname of the computer. This command quickly tells you the unique name assigned to the device, which is especially useful in network environments where you need to identify or differentiate between multiple devices. This is the same hostname that is provided using the ipconfig command, but wasn't this a heck of a lot easier? Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.